EMPL BISON check, the final testing of the new armoured vehicle recovery before being sent to support the mission in Afghanistan. Climbing the 47-degree steep ramp with 500 horsepower, the truck can master virtually any incline without a problem. Despite weighing 36 tons, it can easily traverse rough terrain. It's called the EMPL BISON and is the Bundeswehr's new armoured vehicle recovery. Its first mission will be in Afghanistan. But before being shipped, the EMPL BISON must first pass a series of tests in Hieserdorf in Lower Saxony. The vehicle has already been undergoing technical checks at the Industrial Materials Center for several days. All systems are being thoroughly tested to ensure that they function smoothly and properly when the vehicle goes into operational service in country. Testing at the Bundeswehr's Industrial Materials Center is analogous to a civilian vehicle safety check. Virtually every vehicle that is to be sent abroad on a military mission is tested and approved before being put into service in a foreign country. Here, the BISON's brakes are being tested. Any additional retrofitting needed to meet Federal Armed Forces requirements is also completed. The EMPL BISON was designed and built to recover and tow armored wheeled vehicles weighing up to 40 tons. The EMPL BISON can fully perform all its duties in its current configuration. However, we have to make some improvements on the vehicle's equipment. For example, communication between the crew of the BISON and escort vehicles is very difficult, so there is still potential for improvement on the vehicle. But considering the speed with which the vehicle was put into military operation, it completely meets all requirements. The Bundeswehr accepted delivery of a total of 12 of these armoured giants at the end of 2011. The first vehicles are already in Afghanistan, supporting the armoured vehicle recovery teams assigned to German training and protection units in Kunduz and Mazar-e Sharif. At the same time, more crews are being trained how to operate the EMPL BISON in Germany. Above all, the two-person crew has to get accustomed to its speed. After all, the EMPL BISON can be driven at up to 80 km per hour, even while towing. What we have here is a recovery vehicle that is outfitted with standard wheels. The Actros chassis is made by Mercedes. It can be driven on any normal roadway, a major advantage over tracked vehicles. And we can drive this vehicle over every type of terrain where combat troops are operating. Back to the function controls. Here, the BISON's hydraulic lift is being tested using a remote control unit. It can raise up to 16 tons and forms the core of the towing vehicle's capabilities. The articulated arm is extended in order to reach beneath the vehicle to be towed. It latches onto the axle's towing gear, standard on most Federal Armed Forces tactical vehicles, pulls the vehicle closer and locks it into place before raising it for towing. Additionally, the EMPL BISON is also equipped with a heavy-duty crane to unload a disabled vehicle before towing. It usually loads crates and containers, but the BISON's crew also needs it to change a flat tire if necessary. It is the only means of lifting the 450 kg spare tire. The driver's cabin provides protection against small arms fire and improvised explosive devices. Soldiers can carry out their mission assignments under the maximum possible security safeguards. But one important detail must first be corrected before the EMPL BISON can be sent to the deserts of Afghanistan. The Bundeswehr's Industrial Materials Center provides the appropriate camouflage paint job to match the sandy Afghan environment and appear less conspicuous than the original green color delivered by Mercedes. While it may be new to the Bundeswehr, the vehicle has already been tested and proven by Allied troops in the field. They all agree the BISON delivers the power of a bull.